Hello guys, welcome to Avid Kids, and today I'm going to show you how to build a mini garbage truck. So let's do this guys. You can pause for a bit if you want to see it all so you can get the parts. If you're not ready, it's okay if you're not ready. But please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. I'll make some more videos to help everybody. Okay guys, let's go. So we're gonna need this. So we're just gonna put it here. Then we get this too. Gonna put it here. And while we do that, we're gonna get this. So while we get this, we're gonna put it here. There. So, and while we put it there, we're gonna get these wheels. So you get a wheel, and you can get any kind of wheel you want. So we're gonna put it here. There. And then we're gonna do, before we put it there, you know what? We're gonna use this. So we're gonna put it here. Before we put the wheels, we're gonna put it there. We're gonna put, and this thing, we're gonna put it here at the edge. There, it looks like that. And you're gonna put the wheels now. There, so it looks like a mini truck already without a face. Now we're gonna put this guy. Put it here. There. This. Put it here. There. Looks like that. So a mini garbage truck should be a bigger one. So let's not call it a mini. Let's just call it a big garbage truck. But it's not gonna be really big. So let's just call it the small garbage truck. The small. Is that okay? You can, because you can name any kind of your truck. Name it monster truck, garbage truck, super truck, any kind of name you can put. Okay, now let's put these. We're gonna get these. There. So we're gonna put it here, right? There. Oh wait, sorry. I have to put something here. Oh, okay. I got it. So this first, and you can see that we're going to put it there. So it looks like that. To a mini truck. So we'll do this later. So while we put it there, we get this for circles. There, it looks like that. And we're gonna put this one there. So it looks like that. Gonna put this here. And we're gonna put this into here. There, it looks like that. So it doesn't look like a truck yet. So let's wait for a bit, and then we put this, get this part. You can get any color of you like, because a garbage truck is a dirty truck. So it looks like that. And sorry, I didn't get another piece of like this, so let's just put this in. Yeah. Okay. Then gonna put this piece. Let's get it. It's okay if you don't have a name. Creo, and it's from my friend. He got it for me. A Lego Transformers. So I'm just gonna use it because I didn't use it. But I used the Transformers Lego. So please stay tuned on my channels to see if you want to see the Transformer Optimus Prime that moves. So we're gonna put it here. There. It doesn't see name, so we're just gonna maybe put it here. There. Is it okay, guys? Because it's okay. For me, it's okay. Now we're gonna get this parts. We're gonna put it here, guys. So it looks like that. So does it look like a garbage truck but because for me it looks like a garbage truck. So we put it here. There. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I think you can add a little more details. You can put anything. You can put a light here or an orange here. You can put a stoplight here, or you can put a shelf here. It's your call, guys. If you need anything, go to Avid Kids and see what the instructions need. Okay, guys, bye.